Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today guys I'm going to be showing all my fidgets. Yep, all my fidgets. So first I got this needle. One of my dream needles is the bubble needle and the color changing needle. Next thing I got is this squishy. I got another one of these. I got a lot of fidgets, I think. Next thing, I got this monkey noodle. It's about torn out. Next, I got the strawberry mochi. Next thing I got is this snake. My mom had one of these when she was young. She fidget trades with me. Next thing I got is this blue needle. This is my first needle. I only got 2 needles because I don't find them a lot at Walmart or Learning Express. Next thing I got is this tiny Rubik's Cube. You gotta find these at Learning Express. Yeah, I hate this Rubik's Cube because it's just hard to move. I feel like it's almost like broken. Next thing I got is, I'm sorry for the background noise. My dad is putting in a new, let me just show you guys. So happy! And I forgot this, but I left my rainbow puppet in the kitchen. And then I got this unicorn puppet. This was my first ever puppet. And then next, I got this square puppet, and it's my least favorite puppet. It's because I hate the bad side. It doesn't make any noise at the back, on the bad side. And then next thing I got, wait, let me see if some of my fidgets are still in my backpack. Oh, yep. I got this puppet. I didn't find this puppet at Learning Express, but I actually found it at the mall in Johnson City. Next thing I got is, I forgot what these stress balls are named. I got one of these stress balls. And Slinky. Oh, why did I do this? I feel like it's... Shrubby! Why did you fart? Sorry, but my dog just farted. Next, I got this tangle It's this is the fidget that I love the most. Tangles. But my dream. The only fidget that I got in my unicorn backpack is nothing. I got the mini brands. Yep, the mini brands. And then let me show you what I made for my mom for Valentine's Day. This rock. You rock. Upside down Nebby. But I really think it's very beautiful. I really think. I don't know why, but my friend has this eraser. Chubby cheek man. 85 0. Oh. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Congrats, adolescent. Yeah. You got it. Again. My dream fidget is the Tangle. Even though I don't play with it a lot. And then my friend Ariel, whose real name's not Ariel, gave me this beautiful necklace. Okay, now let's just go. Bye-bye, huh? Just kidding, we're not actually going, but we're just still get a lot of my fidgets. Fidgets! Oh! Then I got this black ball. Sorry for accident, but nothing. Next, I got this flat ball. Next, I got this DIY felt glow ball. And then next thing I got is these stress balls. This orange stress ball. This water balloon thingy stress ball. Next, I got this other stress ball that has this foam in it. I don't know why, but I really want to cut it to get the foam out. That's the only way you can get the foam out. This is my favorite stress ball because I just love the sound. Next thing I got is this basketball hard stress ball. Like, I know I got a lot of this. Next thing I got is this squishy monkey. And this other squishy. I think this is my first squishy. I don't know. The next thing I got is these Swabby. These other two Slink cars. Next thing I got is these two baseball stress balls. Next thing I got is this other Slinky and this eye popper thingy. There's also a keychain. And then this hard dough ball. That is my least favorite dough ball. This monkey noodle that I also tied a knot in. And this mini fidget spinner. And then I got and I told you I got another squishy. This sand, pink sand. This opening and closing thingy that can even do this, being a slide. Up, 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 ooh, breaks leg. Next I got this DIY failed slider. That's all of my fidgets. I'll just saying I'm being a big sister for 24 hours, and you'll see it at the next video. Bye-bye.